In this shocking video, a training camp for the Ukrainian army's territorial defense was discovered near the settlement of Shostka in the Sumy region. A drone recorded several dozen soldiers entering the educational building. Moments later, an Iskander ballistic missile struck the area. The missile hit with a massive blast, likely causing serious damage, including among the instructors. One thing is now clear: the Iskander missile is one of the deadliest missiles currently in service. It has already knocked out several Ukrainian strategic targets, including HIMARS systems, air defense positions, and now this training camp. Being a ballistic missile, the reaction time is extremely short, leaving little to no chance for evasion. And a serious question arises: why was a training camp located so close to the border? It should have been positioned deeper in the rear, where trained soldiers could be safely prepared before being deployed to the front.